Hey friends, who's hungry? Fried cabbage with sausage and bacon is a quick and budget-friendly weeknight meal that tastes like Southern comfort on a plate. First thing we need to do is prep our cabbage. Remove any outer leaves that look bruised or damaged, then rinse the cabbage under cold water. Next, we want to remove this tough, bitter core. Cut the cabbage in half with a sharp knife. This centerpiece right here is what we want to cut out. I find it's easiest to cut the cabbage again into fourths, then lay the quartered piece on its side and cut at an angle to remove the center core. Once you've done that, slice the cabbage into ribbons. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large 5-quart stock pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat until the oil starts to shimmer. Add 7 strips of chopped, thick-cut bacon and cook for 4 minutes until the bacon starts to render off some of its grease. Add 1 12 to 14 ounce package of smoked sausage cut into 1/4 inch dip. You could also use andouille sausage or kielbasa. Cook the sausage and the bacon for around 8 minutes until the bacon is crisp and the sausage starts to brown around the edges. Remove the sausage and bacon from the pot using a slotted spoon, but keep the grease in the pan. Add half a cup of diced yellow onion to the hot grease and saute for 2 minutes. Then add the chopped cabbage. It's okay if all your cabbage doesn't fit into the pot at first. Just let the cabbage cook down a bit until you can add the rest. Stir the cabbage to coat all the leaves in the grease. Then cook the cabbage uncovered, stirring occasionally. If you like your cabbage with a firmer texture, cook for 10 minutes. If you like your cabbage on the softer side like I do, cook for 15 minutes. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and half a teaspoon each of garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, ground black pepper, and crushed red pepper flakes. If you like a little more heat, feel free to add more red pepper flakes. Add the bacon and sausage back to the pot, stir, then cook for 5 more minutes until the sausage is heated through. Looking for more recipes? Be sure to follow me.